Hi, I'm Paul from Production Expert. I just thought I'd do a quick video to show you how to reduce reverb on a drum loop. Now you can use it on other sources as well, but it particularly works well on drums. So basically I've got the start of this track and I wanted to add some claps to it, but the claps that I wanted to add were from Stylus RMX. Now for this particular track, the pre-sample claps have too much ambience and too much reverb on them. So let's just have a listen to the track, the basic track, just with the claps as they are. I'm trying to go for quite a dry sound for the whole track, so I really need to reduce this. So what I'm going to use is the UAD SPL Transient Designer. Now I have used other transient designers for this, and to be honest, they don't work quite as well for reducing reverb. So let's have a listen. Let's solo these claps. Now what I'm going to do instantly is just to drop the sustain. Give it a bit of a boost. Bypass it. As you can hear, it's really tamed the decay of those claps. So let's hear it again. And I'm just going to boost the attack a bit as well. And there's about right for me. It just overloaded. Take it back a bit. Let's bypass it. Now that's a massive difference. Hear it in the track. Let's bypass it. And bring it in. So there's a little tip for you. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you next time.